Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Cast Iron Wednesday. We're rolling right along with Spamtember. I got a can of Korean barbecue spam. I got a dish, noodle dish I'm gonna make. I don't know what it's called. I'm just kind of shooting from the hip on this one. I'd say yakisoba, but yakisoba has its own specific noodles, I believe, so we're just gonna kind of wing it. Okay, so I'm trying something a little different. This is actually my dining room table, and I got a towel holding down my cutting board because I despise the camera angles, because my frickin' body's always in the damn way, and I hate that. So I'm still sitting in the kitchen because it's the best light. I should take a photograph and show you, which I might do that. I'm still gonna, fast forward some of the prep. That way it doesn't kind of drag on for the viewer. I was like, all right, you're cutting broccoli, I get it. So. Alright, we got some ginger here. The easiest way to know how to peel ginger is to just take a spoon and scrape off all the skin. Now let's take a knife, cut off all the little ends. Alright. Alright, can't forget the spam. Smells interesting. Come on. Alright. Spam is just sticking to everything. Alright. I'm gonna do the same thing the other one off camera because I'm gonna, like I said,
water's getting real close.
Let's go over the noodles. You probably might remember these from a previous video. I just put them in a zip top bag to keep them, it's these dried noodles. So they're pretty good. I'm only gonna use one this time though because when I did the two, it was like a lot of pasta. So as soon as this is boiling, I can put that in. Back, there it goes. So the pan is on. I've got my spam, carrots, mushroom, garlic. I actually bought these at the Asian market. It's wasabi and ginger. I think you eat it when you're making sushi, but I just grabbed it anyway. I got some bean sprouts here. I got that all done. So heating up the pan. Alright, we're going mushrooms first. I was in a rush and I realized I forgot to do something that needed to be done. And that was I needed to make my sauce, and I still got to do that. Here we go. Mushrooms, carrots, Now I'm going to add my Spam and my ginger. Alright, the sauce is going to be 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 teaspoons of dark soy sauce, which I just bought yesterday. There we go. I'm not sure if I even like it, to be honest. Those are looking, that's looking quite good. I got, go ahead and throw the sprouts in. And I'm going to go ahead and throw, pardon my arm, and go ahead and throw the noodles in too. Because the broccoli's only got like 5 minutes left, but it's already going to be steamed. And I did forget an ingredient yesterday. I was even looking for it too, but it was garlic. So I just got some granulated garlic I'm going to throw in. Good amount, because I like garlic. And then I actually bought this off of Amazon, some white pepper. If I can open this fucking... Oh, that's why. You want to screw it. Yes, I was just outsmarted by a spice bottle. I might turn the heat down. Go ahead and throw the sauce in. I added a little salt to the mushroom, but I knew I was going to be adding soy sauce, which has salt in it, so that's why I didn't add additional salt. I did add white pepper though. That is looking really good. I'm going to go ahead and just turn the heat way down while I'm waiting for the broccoli. Go ahead and throw in half of the broccoli, because I'm going to, like I said a couple times, I'm going to make this tomorrow too, so I already have my broccoli steamed. Get this sucker onto a plate. Nice. Alright, here's the meal. Alright, let's try a little bit of that ginger real quick. Actually, I want to try the well, here's the 3 little bits of Spam. You know what? Pretty good. As you saw by the amount I had on the plate, that was just one little ball of pasta. I made quite a bit. I gotta say, pretty happy with this. The Spam mixed with the vegetables, the carrot, mushroom, the sprouts. It's good. So I just been sitting here shoveling it in. Either I was hungrier than I thought, or which is really good. I mean, I'll say it's really good. At least I'm really liking it. The flavors are great. The vegetables are nice. They give it a nice, you know, freshness. I've been, you know, kind of dipping the wasabi and taking bites here and there. I just put a little bit on my fork. And grab up a. Hey, that's really good. I would definitely. I'd make that again anytime. In fact, I'm gonna make it again for the lunch tomorrow. So, which I do off camera, but anyway, I do want to thank you for watching. I think I've rambled enough. Let me know what you think of the camera angles in this one. I won't be able to. You know, I'll have to see when I'm editing, see how it looks. But you know, I think it's important you guys actually be able to see what I'm doing. I'm doing it on that corner, just wasn't working for me. So, playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday, and wow, the playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday would be down in the description as always, as long as last week's video. Have a good one. We'll catch you in the next one.